In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish to Tableau Public from Tableau Desktop. This process is not only essential but also quite straightforward, and by the end of this guide you will feel confident about sharing your data visualizations with the world. Let's begin by launching the Tableau application on your desktop. This step is all about getting into the Tableau environment where you have created your impactful data visuals and are now ready to share them more broadly. Once you have the application open, navigate to your worksheet. Take a moment to ensure you've accessed the right worksheet because this is where all your hard work has come to life. Now select the specific sheet you want to publish. It might be one of the multiple sheets within your workbook, so choose the one that demonstrates your analysis most effectively. As you navigate through the Tableau interface, you'll become more familiar and comfortable with making these selections. Next, let's move toward the top menu bar and click on File. This opens a drop-down menu with several options, but for today's task, what we are looking for is Save to Tableau Public As. Selecting this option indicates that you're transitioning your work from your local Tableau desktop to Tableau's accessible online public platform. At this point, you'll be prompted to rename your workbook. This step is crucial not only for clarity in organizing your projects, but also for ensuring that once it's online, viewers can easily identify and understand the context of your visualization. Choose a name that's both descriptive and concise. After you've thoughtfully renamed your workbook, it's time to click Save. By doing so, you're initiating the process where Tableau Desktop prepares your workbook for publishing. It's a seamless, automated process, but understand that during this time, Tableau is taking all the necessary steps to ensure your data visualization is perfectly set for the web. Once preparation is complete, you'll notice that you are redirected to your browser. This is Tableau's way of letting you know that your transition from desktop to web is successfully complete. Now, you're in the home stretch. Finally, with your workbook now on the Tableau public platform, you have the opportunity to edit any details if needed. Whether it's adding a description, adjusting your settings, or organizing how your visual appears to others, this is your chance to make final tweaks. And there you have it. Your Tableau desktop visualization is now live on Tableau Public, ready to be shared, explored, and appreciated by a global audience. With these simple steps, you have empowered your data storytelling capabilities by taking your insights from local to global effortlessly.